Introducing the Exway Atlas Pro, the reigning champion in the realm of electric skateboards for 2024. This model boasts an exceptional performance range and comes with numerous accessories to enhance your riding experience. The Exway Atlas Pro's unique selling point is its extensive customization options, allowing it to morph into any kind of electric skateboard you desire. For novices, the two-wheel drive setup is recommended. Simply adjust the acceleration in the app and take your time getting accustomed to the e-skateboard world. Now for seasoned riders, the four-wheel drive mode will be your go-to. Unleash the power in the app, activate turbo mode, and prepare for a thrilling ride. For everyone else, there's a broad spectrum of settings to explore and adjust to find your perfect ride. The Exway Atlas Pro boasts a sleek, premium matte black finish that's indicative of its overall high-quality feel. It houses a battery with a 35% increased capacity, now at 701 WH. This translates to a range of up to 21 miles with standard 160mm AT tires and an impressive 46 miles if ridden with 90mm urethane street wheels. Overall, this model delivers top-notch performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, and now you got it. So that's it for the top 5 best electric skateboards in 2024. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive the notifications about our latest videos.